Hello, I'm Kiana with Well and Sage, and this week I'm back with a mandala drawing tutorial. We love mandalas because they have a lot of relaxing properties. Drawing them is a form of meditation, so we're just going to walk you through an easy tutorial today. Okay, so for this project, you're just going to need a paper, a pencil, a ruler, a drawing compass or some round objects in different sizes, a felt tip pen, and some colored pencils if you want to color in your drawing at the end. So with your pencil and a round object or a compass, you're going to draw a big circle that takes up most of your page. Next, you're going to want to draw another circle inside the big one about 1.5 inches from the edge, and I'm just using a roll of duct tape for this. So here I'm just dividing the outer circle into quarters using my ruler. And here I'm just drawing another small circle inside that second circle that we drew. And at this point, this is what your paper should look like. Now with a felt tip pen, I'm drawing a tiny circle inside our small circle and then just filling it in with some lines. Here I'm just drawing some petals all around my circle to create a flower. I'm using the pencil circle that you can see there as a guide of how far out my petals should reach, and then I'm just thickening up those lines. My camera stopped recording, so I'm just demoing the rest of the flower here until I get caught up with where my camera picked up again. So to add a little bit more detail to the flower, I'm going to be adding 2 straight lines to each petal just to create a little bit more dimension. And then I'm going to be drawing semicircles in between each of the existing petals and then thickening up those lines. And here I'm just tracing around those lines that I created. Now I'm drawing some straight lines from the flower to the second circle. Then from the point of each of those lines, I'm drawing a diagonal line to create some triangles. Now I'm filling in 1/2 of these triangular shapes with horizontal lines just to add a bit of dimension. Then I'm just thickening up the lines. Here I'm tracing the circle that I drew in pencil with my pen, and then I'm going to fill it in. Next, I'm just tracing those pencil lines that I drew, dividing my last circle into quarters, and then I'm also going to turn those into triangles like so. Once again, I'm going to fill in each half of the triangle with some horizontal lines. So here I'm going to draw a few rows of loops. So to create each individual loop, I'm drawing a semicircle and then another semicircle within that semicircle. I'm going to do a few rows of these, and for each row, the loop is going to go in between the 2 loops of the previous row. I'm drawing 4 more triangles within each quarter like so. And then I'm going to draw a line down each of those triangles. Then I'm going to fill in the gaps and just make the piece look a little bit more full using more triangular shapes like this. I'm filling in half of each of these bigger triangles with diagonal lines to add a bit more dimension. I'm using my pen to color in the gap between the pencil circle and my triangles. Now I'm just drawing little circles all around my mandala. In each circle, I'm going to put a black dot. On the right and left side of my mandala, I'm going to do another row of those little circles with the dots inside. You can be finished with your mandala here if you want. I'm going to color mine in with some colored pencils. If you like this tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe. If you make this project, we would love to see your creations, so please post a picture on social media and tag us at BeWellOnSage. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.